BI in Power BI stands for Business Intelligence. Power BI will enable you to create sophisticated reports based on your business data to help you make informed business decisions. If you want to make full use of Power BI, there's 3 different methods you'll use. The first is to access Power BI in the web browser by going to office.com. This is where the majority of functionality can be found. This includes not only viewing existing reports, but also creating and sharing reports. The Power BI desktop app comes in useful if the data that you wish to report on needs to be cleaned. For example, if the data is inconsistent or is in multiple different formats and needs to be standardized ready for your reports. For example, imagine if you've got 5 years worth of data and the same product that you sell has been sold under 3 different names. You could use the Power BI desktop app to automatically find any occurrences of the old product names and in the reports change them for the new names. Power BI also includes a mobile app. This is a great way of consuming existing reports, especially when you're on the move. Let's take a look at how to access Power BI using the web browser. We start in office.com and at the top of the screen search for the word Power. We can then click Power BI. Over on the left of the screen we can see Workspaces. My Workspace is a private area where I can create reports that initially no one else can see. Within my workspace, the datasets are the information that I've got access to work with. Some of this information might actually be stored within Power BI, while other datasets might be connections to data that's actually stored somewhere else. Reports are perhaps the most exciting component. Each report has the potential to include multiple pages. Here we can see there's 4 pages to this example report. When we click on a page, to the right hand side we then see a series of visuals. Each map, chart or table that we see is an individual visual. The reports are based on the data sets that we saw earlier in the demonstration. The reports can also update automatically. The next component that we see is a dashboard. Visuals from multiple reports can be pinned together to create a dashboard. Typically, it's a dashboard that we share with decision makers to help them make well-informed decisions. Dashboards are simpler than reports, partly because they're only made up of a single page, which is known as a canvas. While a report might be complex to understand with lots of visuals and lots of pages, the dashboard is a simplified overview, helping people in the business to understand our data quickly and easily. In summary, Power BI is a reporting service allowing us to take business data wherever it may be stored, clean that data if necessary, and then generate reports and dashboards that can be shared. The goal is for us and our colleagues to be able to make informed business decisions rather than relying entirely on opinions and gut instincts. This video is part of a series called Your Know-How. Watch other videos in the series to learn more about Microsoft 365.